Notice anything different about me?
Hint?
I've been promoted.
What? Congratulations.
Next season of The Little Gourmet, I'll be running the show.
Well, you deserve it, Kelly.
Thanks. Oh, your flight.
Oh, left 20 minutes ago.
I'm sorry.
Nah, don't be. Told Adam I'm turning down their offer.
Why?
My heart just wasn't really in it. You see, Brett means...
I know.
Yeah, the thing is, I could say goodbye to New York. I don't think I could say goodbye to you.
You know, I'll be needing some help with the menus next year. Do you know anyone?
I might know a guy.